Hi guys, this is going to be probably one of the quickest videos I've ever done for our YouTube channel, but just be a new product that we're going to be putting on our website shortly, which is they have been around for a while, to be honest with you, but we tend to prefer to upgrade the systems with the Android screens and stuff, because you do get a hell of a lot more. But we're getting the odd request through for this type of car, which is on a Mini. It is a 2021 car with the brand new Evo setup here. So there's not much you can get for the MMI CarPlay boxes you can get for this car, because they tend not to work, just simply because the cables don't match behind the dash. So we've installed a rear camera interface box. Now if you do see a lot of flickering around here on the video, it's only got the shutter speed. It's not up to scratch, but you may not notice it, but I can see it on the cameras and I'm talking to you. So it's just a rear camera interface box. You can get them for quite a lot of cars, to be honest with you. So if you're not interested in changing over the screen over to anything, or just simply because it's not available for your car, what we normally sell on the screen replacements, you can put a camera interface box into there. It's just a simple hardware box which goes behind the dash. All the cables will be relevant to the back end of the radio here, and it's just a simple process of put your car into reverse. 1 second. Put your car into reverse, and there you get is your rear camera. So obviously this is not an OEM camera, it's an aftermarket product. So if your car's a rear camera at the back, you can simply see the dynamic lines moving as I'm moving the steering wheel. And just as simply to get back out onto the original screen, just put your car back into park or into forward drive, and then you get your normal screens then, and obviously as you can see it's all gone back to normal. 1 second. So yeah, quick video. I'll probably get it on the website shortly while. I say this is our first install on this, got in relatively easy. Do get some dip switches on the side of the box which have to be relevant towards the size of the screen that's going in. So sometimes your car might have a bigger screen with this, so the resolution on the camera needs to be setting. Dip switches will sort all that out. Okay, great news, see you soon, thanks a lot, bye bye.